Mike Tower, Sky 353, Mike Victor, and down along shoreline with Alpha, like to request low level transition, downline.
November 736 and flight, both of you guys don't come in on base. There's traffic at the twin high-rise, so just don't come in on base right now. You're going to follow the guy on a 3-mile final.
Hey, front, I've got him in sight.
November 736, it looks like you are doing exactly what I said not to do, unless the radar is deceiving me here.
19736 is already on base.
Okay, well I just said don't go on base. You missed that part. So let's go right turn back to the north downwind for both you and the other guy.
Hey, firm, right turn, north downwind, 19736.
November 7, Romeo's here. You can turn base now because you're out by the Century City, right?
Correct. We'll turn behind the Twin Towers over here for Romeo's here. Hey, Mike Tower, Sky 353, Mike Victor, down along shoreline, like to request low level transition, downline.
November 736. Are you literally on final right now, cutting someone off?
No, I'm trying to get out here. We're turning, 19736.
November 262. The guy in front of you is moving out of your way. Runway 21, clear to land. November 020, make 1 right 360.
Right 360, 020.
November 974, Papa Alpha, Santa Monica Tower, ATIS Alpha, current winds 220, 90 altimeter 29904. At the Getty, make a right turn to the Blue Whale, and then join a 6-mile straight in.
6 miles straight in, first time here for Bravo Alpha.
That's fine. You can figure out where 6 miles is, and that'll be great. November 353, Mike Victor, Santa Monica Tower, right traffic, runway 21, but head up to the Getty first.
Alright, right traffic, runway 21, we'll head to the Getty first, 3 Mike Victor. Santa Monica Tower, 73262 is going around, sorry.
November 262, Santa Monica Tower, all the way out to the shoreline before left traffic.
All the way out to the shoreline before left traffic, 73262.
November 298, Papa, make right close traffic.
Alright, right close traffic, 298 Papa.
November 7, Romeo Sierra, number 1, runway 2 on clear to land.
21, clear to land, Romeo Sierra.
November 736, then runway 2 on clear to land.
19736, clear to land, 196, gotcha.
November 02 Sierra, you're following a Cessna turning right base over Century City. Report that Cessna in sight.
Look in 020.
November 262 at the shoreline, continue in left traffic.
Left traffic at the shoreline, 73262.
November 736, turn base now if you haven't already.
19736, house turn base.
November 3, Mike Victor, fly to the Getty and then join a 6-mile final.
Fly to the Getty and then join 6-mile final, 3 Mike Victor. 020, have the plane on final and the plane turning base.
November 02 Sierra, thank you. Follow the Cessna. That is on a 3-mile right base. Just make sure that's the one that you see. Follow that Cessna, runway 2 on clear to land.
Okay, following 736, clear to land, 020 Sierra, 21.
Yes, exactly. November 908 Papa, make 1 left 360.
Left 360, 908 Papa.
November 7 Romeo Sierra, contact ground.
19736, on final.
November 736, runway 21, clear to land. The Gold Cherokee off your left has you in sight. They're going to follow you in.
19736, clear to land, 21, 19736.
November 3, Mike Victor, just continue on that heading. If you know where K-Joy is, there's a Cirrus over K-Joy. Follow that Cirrus.
Alright, follow Cirrus over K-Joy, 3 Mike Victor.
November 4, Papa Alpha, now square that base turn, and that'll bring the perfect space in there. Square the base and reduce speed.
American reducing speed, 4 Papa Alpha.
November 908 Papa, you're following a Gold Cherokee over the twin high-rise. That's a 3-mile final. If you could do 1 more left 360, this should be the last one.
Alright, 1 more left 360, 908 Papa.
November 262, number 6. So make 2 right 360s.
2 right 360, 73262.